Hi guys, my name is Anna and I'm into the binary options trading. That's a little bit windy because I'm in Dubai Resort and I'm at the Lamborghini. So guys, if you want to know more, if you want to get more results, profits, knowledges, you can just proceed to my Telegram link, to my Telegram channel where I post 12 signals per day and you can use it and get the same.
I was wrong and I was right. Oh my god. Just a little bit, just a tiny bit. That's crazy. Hi guys, here's me, Anna. Of course, I'm right there at the pocket option platform, at the strategists, at the profits, at all of the indicators and all the results that we're going to be having. Let us start today. Let us try what we have. I'm kind of, seems like, in the low-key mood, but no, I'm excited. I think it's going to be nicely working. It's just our job. Check it out. And we gotta be starting, we gotta be going with this 1 minute, of course, with this 10 seconds, of course. Going to the stocks with the biggest payout, and that's gonna be 92% in our case, which is the max. Not the max. Envelopes, Vortex, and Awesome Oscillator. That's actually the reason why I chose 10 seconds candles, because yes, we don't need to simplify what is actually already simple. You know that I'm not a fan of these candles, oscillators, indicators, not my favorite, but Awesome Oscillator is quite fine. I hate this oscillator. This is, just cannot force myself to use it. And then going with the styles, no, it's fine. And this is it, envelopes, which is Vortex, which is amazing, Awesome Oscillator, which is just fine, and we gotta see how it's gonna be working in this combo. Okay guys, the distance feels like we're gonna have some crossing from the vortex, and then we're gonna get downward, but you may see that they actually will already heading downward, and I think it's the big rising. I don't know why. Awesome Oscillator candles getting green and big, the good sign, but actually that may be the end of the trend. What about the vortex lines? Yes, they're getting closer. It doesn't mean it's gonna be the crossing, but envelopes showing that we are kind of going like that. Maybe with this period it's even nice a little bit, but maybe it's just the classy highest point and fallen, but I hope it's not. Yeah, look at this Awesome Oscillator candles. Oh my god, just a little bit, just a tiny bit. Wait for that, just wait. I was wrong and I was right. That was the classic situation of getting downward. We just got lucky because the vortex lines got closer, never crossed, and then next time oh yes, I can see it. And look at this envelopes. Crazy. This one is not better. I hate when indicators adjust like that. So, okay, that's the big, enormously big falling, and the vortex actually telling us that. That's the big tendency, amazingly big tendency, and all the fluctuations inside of this huge tendency. So all the fluctuations are so small, so that doesn't affect that it's actually just the big falling. And this big envelopes is all about that. I know that. If you don't think that I know that, you're crazy. But just right there in the moment when we need to read actually the candle that we have, the candles that we have just inside of this 1 minute, that's a bit useless. And you know how I hate it when that's happening. So I actually went for the same decision. So it's the big fallen. Okay, we're gonna be getting upward just a little bit, and then we're gonna get downward. So this is the part of just the big fallen. And even being honest, there is no information how, when, what, who. We can go upward. So when it's going to be the break? I don't have it. Because in vortex lines also just getting crossed, anything could happen. Or maybe it is. Maybe it is. That's crazy. Oh, that is just crazy. No. I can, that's on. What about this thin vortex? I just want to call it thin. Not vortex, envelopes. I'm sorry. Just got thinking about what do we have right there. Once again, it seems like I'm making my decisions a little bit against all the signals, a little bit against all the strategy that's giving us all the info. It is because, first of all, you need and you must check the chart, because the strategy may be successful, maybe unsuccessful, not successful, I don't know, useful, useless, but the profit's supposed to be just right there. I'm here for the profit, not for the strategy. So if I wrong just designing the strategy, it's fine, okay. I'm not so smart enough, but I want to be profitable in the end, even with these mistakes. And once again, maybe envelopes is kind of useful there, but look at this word, it's just a mess. It's a bad solution, it's just a mess. Maybe we need some zigzag or something like that just to show us more clear tendencies, because these type of candles and fluctuations, we are a little bit confused. Yes. Look at this. Again, the big fallen, and now I think that's the big rising. So I know that candles can be different. You can see all the candles it's kind of long. So you can see all these break-ins, but the big tendency is to go upward. And anyway, no matter what we're going to be doing right now, I hope so, we're going to be getting back to head upward. Let us see. We're getting upward, that's true, but we need to go more, please. Oh my God. I was already like, no. Sometimes I'm not even happy, and you cannot see me being so glad, because when I was sitting and watching it, I was like, oh my God. And I don't have enough energy to be the happiest. Continue, and that's done. That's done. A little bit, I get nervous on the last one. And this is it. It's actually kind of nice, or not. I get it with the profits. I wasn't thinking much because I was just checking all these charts, because I didn't expect much from envelopes, from this awesome oscillator, and maybe I just get used to this. Oh, there are mediocre results from these indicators, so I wasn't expecting that much, and I just got my profits. But this last one just get me exhausted, because there was really just the luck. It was just fast enough to get us to the profit, and you saw it was kind of the big bad. So guys, if you're also exhausted, if you're tired of all these losings, you know where to find me, and you know how I can help you. And I could tell you once again, it's going to be the free signals, all assistance, chats, and just try it.